Guys, welcome back to another video, guys. Today we're there by the river again, and today we're gonna eat with some food scene, but I am not the one cooking. See who's cooking there? She's the one cooking. We'll introduce her in a second. We're there by the river. We're gonna cook some what else now? Some white rice and some curry chicken. You don't know. That are the vibes in the evening, yeah. So we're gonna make she explain what she will cook because I'm not doing no cooking today. She said she will cook, so make us see what she can do. I'll just guide her along the way and do little things for her save me, but make us see what she can do. Yes, guys. So she's explaining her name, which is Shanaki Norris. You know, she's saying her name, but the audio got messed up, so now I have to do a voiceover. So let's see what she's saying.
First, I'll be needing forks, plate, and of course pots that I'll be using. So I think that's it. So I'll be using these to make my curry chicken with white rice.
So Shanaki, how old are you?
I am 10 years old.
How long now you cook? Or why you like cook?
Why I like cook, I don't know. That's just my kind of thing. I just like to cook. That's my kind of thing.
So you're shy?
Kinda.
Shy if you talk to the camera and I'm alone there, so.
Sometimes I'm shy. Depends. And also, I've been cooking since I was 6 years old.
So what you like cook most?
And I like to cook more white rice and chicken. White rice and fried chicken.
So we have one chicken breast in our bag we'll cook soon. But everything come out of the bag now, so right now we're gonna get some fire stick and some fire stone. We'll get the fire start out right in the shade. As I saw there by the river. You know, so we're gonna cook a pot right here, so guys, so stay tuned. So guys, we're gonna see if we can get the chicken cleaned up now and come back. We just cut up some firewood. I get the fire right here, so but I get the chicken cut up and seasoned up, and then we'll come back, catch up the fire, and she'll just do what she have to do, guys. And maybe we never introduced her before, but that's my youngest sister, so she decides to share cook today. And I'll just relax, you know. So we'll go back by the riverside and we'll get the meat cut up in smaller pieces, and then we're gonna season it up and get everything going. So let's go. I don't know.
I'm going to put up the chicken right now.
Put it back on the cutting board and cut it. Put it flat and cut it. Turn around. Yeah. And cut it. Be careful. You want me to tell you the knife sharp?
Finish. I'm gonna wash off afterwards. Where is the seasoning? So I can see the meat.
Get up there, son. Take out them now. No, you have to see them when I shake. Take out them now. Yeah, I don't know.
I'm going to take one out the seasoning so that I can wash them and put them to go into the chicken.
So where you gonna use season the chicken?
Onion, one half onion, two starts of scallion, half of carrot, and a stem or some thyme.
And you left yourself over there. Now come complain to me. Go on to your mama. One way. If you catch him soon, because the rope me up on him folding. You keep on your papa off the blood. You must go catch him.
Yeah, we have rope on him, you know. Curious.
And I'm going to get my I'm not going to use all of the curry because I'm going to save some so that I can burn it in the oil.
So why you burn the curry in the oil?
Because my mom always told me, I don't have a good stomach, and my mom always told me that if you don't burn the curry, it might hurt you, give you a little belly problem. I'm going to rub up the seasoning my meat.
So what you gonna do now after when you finish this? What you gonna do?
Put on the pot, fix the stove, put the pot on the fire, throw the oil in and make the oil hot, and then put in the curry. After I put in the curry now and the curry burn, I will put in this and put water in it and cover it up with this steam. Alright, so that's done.
Let me see.
Alright, pretty though.
Hmm?
Pretty though.
Mm-hmm.
Cover and make the seasoning make it marinate.
So guys, I was gonna say she don't clean up our chicken, she don't season up our chicken. Right now my plan now, my work now is to get the fire make. So we're gonna put the fire right here, so we're gonna get the fire set up now. We're gonna just catch up the fire, light it up and put on the pot for the curry. And then we're gonna try to get the rice sorted out, so I could get that done. So guys, as you can see the fire catch up already. So the pot will go on next and then the chicken will go in the pot. And we pour it some oil, we'll burn the curry with the pepper. And we just put the chicken in the pot, cover it, make it cook. And then when it cook, we put on the rice. Because we're not going to make a next fire. So we just wait on the chicken to cook and then we put on the rice on the fire. So that's the pre right now.
Now put on the pot on the fire, wait till the pot hot, then we put in the oil, put in the curry, burn the curry, and then put in the chicken, make the chicken, and put in the chicken and pour water on it and cover and make it steam.
That's all if you do now. So the fire blaze now, so I gotta do.
Put on the pot.
Yeah, I put on the pot on the fire now. Make it straight. You know, burn down yet, that's why. Just put it on, yeah. And the oil in the bag. Yeah. Can you see it? Yeah. And when the oil, I wait till the water dry out. Then I pour it in the oil.
In the pot now and then put in the curry, but I make the oil hot first. So now put in the oil. That.
Get in the curry now. And this pot it's the away, so I put in the curry. Put in the curry. Okay. Put in everything.
That's everything.
And then I get the chicken ready because the pot really hot. So I have to put in the chicken now same time. No, you make the curry fry first before you put in water. So it make it own steam, then you put in the water. With the fork, where they put the forks? Lift up that. Them inside eye? Come take it out, you need to stir up that. Take your time. If you don't take your time, then I'm going to drop out of the pot. And then you have to cover the pot. So guys, you don't know the chicken gone in the pot already. See? Put the chicken in the pot already. You kind of have to guide her through some of the steps then because, you know, she kind of in her heels. I don't know if because she feel nervous or what, but you know, we still have to guide her through the steps. See me, she had her things same. As I say, she a cook. Basically, I'm just holding the camera and just start then. Don't do that, start doing this. I see she had something wrong, start don't do that. It's only about the chicken in the pot now. And the only step left now, we're gonna make it fry up a little. Make it own, you know, make it own sauce. And then we're gonna add a little water. And we're gonna make that cook. And then we're gonna get the rice pot put on. And we're gonna steam some rice here. So I'll just look how I go on. When I'm so go on. Okay, maybe if I stir it. If I stir it up. Put it on. Please, what are you gonna do now?
So I throw some water in the curry plate, and I'm gonna pour it in the pot with the curry chicken. Right, and I'll stir it. And I'll cover the pot.
So
Just wait till it cooks, so me take off the pot and then put on the rice. And wait till it's steam. That's alright, so me take off the pot off our fire now. I take it off and put rice in. So we'll get the pot salt out now to put on the rice. And so.
So guys, I don't know, we put on the curry finish. I should just put it down, drop it so. Anyways, the curry finish. So I'm gonna show you guys how that look. And as I say, she do her cooking, not me. So this is how the curry looks. My, this looks good. You know, so I cover back that. And then we are done with our rice time now. So I get the rice on the fire. So we're adding some little more water. And then we are putting some salt. And then the rice I go get washed and put in the pot. So let's just do that now.
Alright, so I'm going to put about 2 tablespoons or so.
You don't need no more than one. Too much. Don't put that in there. Don't put that in there. Aye. Just throw it back in the next bag. Yeah.
And I'll put some garlic.
I put that in there because the salt in there and I put enough salt in the pot, so let's put on that. So people just cover the pot now and make the water boil, and then we're gonna wash the rice and put it in the pot. So that you're gonna know. I use that cover it. And get something cover that now. Use the cutting board. Yeah.
Alright, so I wash rice right now, so I try to pull the bag and take it. For everything?
So guys, the rice I wash now if we go in the pot. Stir the rice and then cover it and make it go and cook. And that's the final step to make that go and steam now. So guys, I'll see if we can find 2 coconut now so we can drink because the sun is really hot.
Yeah, we're thirsty.
So guys, we're gonna go up on a little farm and see if we can pick 2 coconuts so we can drink because the sun is really hot. So I don't know, we're gonna need to rehydrate and we forgot to bring water. So we have to use coconut water, so we are going to see if we can pick some right now. So guys, we reached where the coconut them there. These are the coconuts, so we are going to get, yeah, we'll get coconut from this tree. And then we're going to bring down for drink also. So let's see if we can pick some and put in our little bag and head back down.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna pick jelly now. One gone so far. So two gone. 3, one more. Yeah, not good. Swanner.
Guys, just pick some coconut, and I think that's good enough. Put in the next one, and we're good. You mash it down there, so. Mash it over there, so I'm gonna take it. See that, girl? See there, see there. Run. One bag of coconut, even if I drink off too much short, I can hide them for next time if we don't finish them. Guys, we come back from we cook the kitchen. I see if we rice finish or if it dry out. Let me see. Ah, good.
Man, stir it up now.
Stir it up on life.
Yeah.
Yeah. And them that fish them, come and see the fish them, man. I not have it. I not have it for me. Guys, two birds in the air shoot fish. Because you want to shoot? Yesterday, I come on river. And no bad. Food, you know, not done yet? And jelly? Yesterday? The dumpling them and something? Dumpling and fish. And yam. I know so. So them nice perch. I'll just put them on there. Not bad. I'm going to things. So if you go way up, sir, hold it up there. You know? And hold it in there too, you know? Then big your Fred.
I walk with the gun, boy.
I didn't really plan for it up by me, that's why.
Oh, wow.
You want it up by me, no? No. Because I go to cook now, to steam now. So I have to check on the rice now and see what I go and feed. Wow. So I'm going to be things, man. You want to cook now, you want to steam down look now. And you're ready for eat. So yeah, we're going to drink some jelly, yeah? Going through thirst. So guys, right now we're going to see if we can pick some, cut some of the jelly them and get some jelly for drink, you see me? So, we'll do that now. Hmm? We're going to share the food now.
Yeah, let's take out the rice first.
So guys, she said she's going to share the food now because it's done. I own that. Not good for now. Sure it feel now. But the food land now, people. Let me come on this side. I'm coming this side. Yeah, good, good, did it. You take your time and put in the food when you have to put in here. You don't just dash it in the plate. It have to be presentable also. If your food don't look presentable, people are not going to eat it. Put a piece more meat in the phone. Alright. Thank you. So guys, see my food here. Well nice and proper. Got the fear now. Too much gravy. Don't eat too much gravy. You have to move the pot from this because the heat is going to melt that. Dry it from the fire side. Yeah. Food time. Go so I go on. Go see what I go on, you know. Thank you. Salt. Salt. I say food go on now.
Food nice. Right now it is 9 out of 10.
How much?
9.
9 out of 10?
Yeah.
Alright guys, so she rate the food 9 out of 10 and she cooked it, so she must know why she did that. So I'm gonna give full 10.
Because the garlic that make it, the chicken kind of a little bit too salty. So.
Well, like say you know you don't use too much. Hey guys, so I'm gonna shell down my food right now and just go and easy back to get a wash off in the river and we're gonna head out the same way. You see me? So I'm gonna chop a next jelly and drink and get some more food to eat. So I'm gonna do that. Guys, fish eat and I'm not belly full. She still eat food. Oh, so right now people are cool off. Now we take a jump off in the river and wash off. And then we're gonna head out. You see me? So when I get there, what me I gonna do now still, I clean up the things them. And then we're gonna just go wash off and we're gonna head home. So stay tuned.
Hello, style, you know.
Yeah, they are cut some coconut, huh? And the one cartel.
Man, free man.
You get this.
Remember.
Now I'm for food. I'm not feel some there up on the river hungry, you know.
That's steak.
Still left so much to eat it? No more jelly?
Nice, good tomato na to water.
Thank you.
Thank you. Drink up your coconut now. Drink up your coconut.
Yeah, man, really hard man style, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man.
And this are them being food.
You know?
And the coconut done already.
Really hard man style.
It's a vibe. Man and fish. Fish them pretty though. Mm-hmm. And get this a while ago, this and one next one. Some nice size you're gonna get, man.
No man, I give me a bun.
Just put it on and chop it, man.
See that it lean already, you know?
And you never chop it yet. Wow.
Yeah, try something. Yeah, man.
So top spoon.
Yeah, man, this good for the bleach of them, you know? So if I have bleach, get some of the meat, man. Good for the bleaching.
Coconut.
Coconut good for the bleaching, you know?
First me that one.
Yeah, man, keep it cool.
Drink one to one something.
Hydration.
Well, people, you don't know, that is it. We just got left the river now. Food was good, as you guys can see. To our bridge, them that's spear fish and them come and them eat some of the food and them say them love it. So cheers to the chef behind me. Yeah? So guys, I just want to wash off and thing now, so I head home now. You see me? As I say, it was a good day, it was a successful day. I don't know, food was good. You see me, I say, so if you guys want to see more of that, just comment down below or drop it in the premiere, the live chat right now. We don't want to see she cook next and we'll see if we can make that happen. So yeah, for now guys, we're gonna head out and go home. So what do you have to say? Speak up, speak up.
Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to NJ Vlogs on YouTube.
And it's NJ Nature Jamaica, not NJ Vlogs. But yeah, we're gonna head out now guys and we're gonna sign out, so peace.